Oh, been a while. Well, I don't know why, but today I just felt like I wanted to make a video. It's been a while since I made a video. Today I decided to go for a walk at Safeway. I've been doing a lot of walking now ever since COVID started, just to keep myself sane. Anyways, I went there and I found this. It says Mott's Clamato Reserve, made with natural ingredients and fire roasted jalapeno puree. Let me see that. So I like Caesars, so I figured I would give this a try. It says on the back here, Mott's Clamato Reserve offers a premium spin on our classic Caesar. With a rich texture and complex spice blend, it's made with no artificial flavors or colors, no high fructose corn syrup, and no added MSG. So I don't know, I thought that sounded pretty good. So I'm gonna just try it on its own here, and then I'm gonna make a Caesar the way I normally make a Caesar, and then we're gonna try it that way.
So I was looking online for a review of this stuff, and I came across this site called ChickAdvisor, and it says it has 699 reviews, and it has 4.3 out of 5 stars. The only thing is, I also opened this other tab, XY stuff, and I don't know if you noticed, but it looks eerily close to ChickAdvisor. And also on this site, it says that the taste is 4 stars, value is 4 stars, quality is 4 stars. But on this one, they're all 5 stars. Oh, I guess maybe this one is... Oh, XY stuff. So maybe they split it into guys and girls, because this one says guys dig it. Down here it says chicks dig it. Yeah, maybe it's just me who's out of the loop.
Okay, so first as just a control test, we're just gonna shake it up. Then we're just gonna try it in just by itself. So first smell, it smells pretty fresh. Can't really smell the jalapeno just yet. There we are. And it says no artificial colors, so it might be, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's kind of a bit more like brownish, orangish kind of color, than, whereas normally it's kind of more of a bright red. So here we go, first try. It's pretty good. It kind of has like there's little particles in it, almost like it is a puree, like came from a puree. And there's like kind of spices in there, and you can taste the tomato. It tastes like it has like a bit of like oliviness to it, but I don't hate it, even though I hate olives. I don't even know if there's olives in this. Maybe not. It tastes good. It probably would help if it was colder, honestly, but that's why this one has ice, because I did have to walk at home in the hot sun. So maybe this isn't a fair test, but whatever. Nothing wrong about that at all. Really tasty, a little bit of spice, but it's not not very much spice. Like I don't think many people would even call this spicy, but it does have like a really nice like kind of pepper taste in your throat. Anyways, so now we're gonna do what they like to call the works. Here I have some rimmer I just bought. Need scissors. Man, I kept making Caesars, and I was like, why don't I have any rimmer? Like, I make Caesars all the time. And then I tried to make my own out of stuff we had here, but I didn't have all the ingredients, and it didn't turn out that well. Yeah. And then I tried to make one this other time for like a fruity drink that I was trying to make my fiance, and I made it with like sugar, because I heard somewhere that if you use like sugar and like cayenne pepper or something, then you can make like kind of a sweet rimmer, but then I fucked up and used like chili powder or something. It was bad, I don't know. Anyways.
How can we get back on the right track?
So we're gonna start off by, we got these 2 bowls here. I'm gonna pour a bunch of this into this one so that we have enough to, room the side of our glass. Temporarily, oh wait. I'm gonna need somewhere to put this ice. There we go. So then we got some lime juice here. Oh yeah, I didn't even go over this right here. This Mott's Clamato rumor says it's chunky pub style, which I'm excited about. If you look inside there, you can see there's kind of big granules of salt. I don't know what else is in this. It says salt, spices, sugar, dehydrated onion, sunflower oil, and xanthan gum. Anyways, so I'm gonna put a little bit of lime juice into this cup.
Oh, yeah.
I always like to put a little bit of lime juice in the drink as well, but got some lemon juice here, a little bit. Then we rim our glass here. I always like to drink these out of jars because you can fit a lot of like ice in there and stuff. Except for whenever I have a drink in a jar, my cat likes to knock it over for some reason. There we go, beautiful. Beautiful. It's a shit ton of rimmer. And fill her with ice. We're gonna start with kind of a combination of hot sauces here. I got some Cholula chili and lime. I actually bought this as a consolation prize because I was looking for Valentina. It's pretty good, but it doesn't have a whole lot of kick to it. Ooh, oh, that's not right. That would fit on there though. Oh, it literally does fit. That's for this lime juice. This stuff is like not spicy at all. It has a really good like kind of tang to it from the pepper and the lime, but you can just drink this stuff. It's not spicy at all. So I'm gonna add a little bit of this extra hot sauce here, which is kind of like this no-name sauce that came in like a collection of sauces that you can get for like Christmas kind of thing. My dad likes to get me those, and a lot of the time it's about like half of them that are good, and then the other half are kind of like meh, and then you kind of end up with too many hot sauces, and none of them are all that unique. So like you really gotta look when you find those packages. I'm gonna add some lime juice here.
Oh, yeah.
Little squirts there. And it's probably like an atrociously made Caesar to some people, but this is how I make them. A little bit of lemon juice. Got some Worcestershire. Worcestershire. Worcestershire.
Worcestershire.
Worcestershire. Worcestershire. Which that's probably way too much. Fuck it. Okay, and then we get. Okay, before we get, can I just show you guys what else I bought at the store real quick? I got these two barbecue sauces. This one is tequila lime, tangy with lip tingling heat, and the whole thing is like they're all supposed to be based off of like some sort of alcohol, except for the two that I bought. I feel. Well, I guess tequila lime is a drink. Oh, and habanero it says on there. This one is Hawaiian style huli huli. Pineapple, umami, and habanero flavors. And that's a barbecue sauce. We've been doing a lot of barbecuing, so I figured I'd get that one. But what interested me about this one is that this was one with like 4 peppers on it, if you can see there, which means that's one of the hotter ones. So I was interested by that because I like a mix of spicy and sweet. And this one also has 3 peppers, so maybe it'll be hot. Maybe we'll review those in a video. Maybe. Okay, so let's get this Mott Clamato Reserve back out. Again. Pour it in. Oh, baby. This is going to be a virgin Caesar, by the way. No, I have no vodka in the house right now. So maybe that's blasphemous to some people, but whatever. Or whatever you're supposed to put in Caesars, I just put vodka. Now, I love drinking out of a straw, but I never drink Caesars out of a straw, especially because you're supposed to have rim on them. It's like every time I go to a bar, they bring me my Caesar with a straw, even though I asked for it without a straw, and then I just end up wasting the straw. It's like, save the turtles. There we go. So that's our finished Caesar there. Maybe I'll try and get a beauty shot of it. Oh baby, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, now we're gonna give it a try. Here we go. Oh God. Well, the thing about Caesars is there's just so many different flavors just packed in there. It's so good. Oh. It's a lot of spice, a lot of punch. It still tastes very natural though. As natural as all this can be. It's nice when you can taste like it's like you're just eating a garden. Very fresh, very flavorful, but still packs like that spicy punch. Anyways, this is a delicious Caesar. I'm gonna go enjoy it. Thanks for watching.